Hello guys. Today gonna learn how to make conversations. Hello, hi, alright. How are you? How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. I'm very well, thanks. And you? I'm great. Actually, I'm a bit sick today. What's your name? My name is Shadel. I'm Shadel. What's yours? My name is Ronnie. How old are you? I'm 30 years old. I'm 30. And you? I am 28 years old. I'm 28. Where do you live? I live in Srimangal. What about you? I live in Molvibaza. Where do you come from? I come from London. And you? I come from Bangladesh. When is your birthday? My birthday is on the 1st of May. It's the 1st of May. When's your birthday? My birthday is on the 1st of September. It's the 1st of September. What year were you born? I was born in 1970. What about you? I was born in 2000. How many brothers and sisters do you have? I have got one big brother and two little sisters. I've got one brother and no sisters. I don't have any brothers or sisters. And you? How many brothers and sisters do you have? I have got 3 brothers but no sister. What's your favorite subject at school? My favorite subject is maths. What about you? It's English. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have got one big, black dog. Have you got any pets? No, I don't have any pets. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is red. And you? My favorite color is white. What food do you like? I like bananas, but I love mangoes. What food don't you like? I don't like chips, but I hate chocolate. What sports do you like? I like swimming. What sports do you do? I play Ludo and I dance. What's your favorite TV show? I love watching drama. What about you? I like most movie. What's your telephone number? It's 0563221800. What's yours? 0465628889. What's your email address? It's shadelilam58@gmail.com. Are you on Facebook, Twitter, Skype? Yes, my account is. I'll message you later. It was nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Great to meet you. You too. Let's keep in touch. Definitely. Goodbye. Bye. See you. So long. See you later. See you soon. See you next week. See you on Saturday. Can you think of any more questions?